Hey guys, welcome back to another fantastic video. It's currently like 9:30 or something, and I'm about to get in the car because I'm going to JB Hi-Fi to buy a new controller, so see you guys there. So I just got home. It's now like 11:15 or something. I don't really know, but like my thing is like a mess, so I'm just gonna clean that up, and then I'm just gonna unbox the stuff I brought. So yeah. So got the PS4. Got a white one. And then I also got a cable for it. Since I got this cable, I actually got like a discount. So like, yeah, it was meant to be like $100, but got it for like 85 or something. So pretty good. Anyways, let's first start off with this, I guess. Just a normal cable. This is. Oh, maybe I should not rip this. Let me just go get like a knife. This. Alright, so we got it. It's just a cable. Nothing really that cool. Okay, now we got this. Oh, let me make a 0.5. Yeah, that's better. Now we got this thingy. So let's open it. We got controller. What is first do? I did actually have a controller here. So it's much better and sounds nicer. But this one just like straight up breaks, so I don't know. But yeah, here's the like final product, I guess. Might put these like joystick thingies on real quick. Put one on. Two. We got both of them on. It's the final product of the PS4 controller. And now let's see if the cable was the right size, which I hope it was, because if it's not, that'll be kind of sad. Yes, it is the correct size. So I just turned the PS4 on, so now I'm just gonna see if this works. Yeah. So I just got in. Let's go, bro. Now I just need to like update everything. Also, I do not know why, but guys, I'm on a PC now. I do not know why you guys are like still texting me. This is all this year, like the heck. Alright, so it worked, thankfully, because this one actually wasn't like controlling at all, but now when I press like, for example, the OK button, it actually like works. So I just need to update it, but yeah, it's good. Alright, so I'm just setting up like my network internet thing right now, but my mom like bought clippers, so I'm gonna have one. Alright, so I set up the PS4, so now I'm just like playing some Apex before I have to go to the movies, so yeah. So now I'm back from the cinemas and back from watching Five Nights at Freddy. It's a pretty good movie. Yeah, I love jump scares, but pretty good. Nothing else to do right now, so might just like play some like PS4, I know.